my dear students, so here is a very important update for all those students who are appearing for who wants to do engineering after their 12th. So you might be writing various entrance exams. So I want to tell you today about another important entrance exam to get into one of the top college, that is Manipal Institute of Technology. Okay, so the last date of application for this exam has been extended and tomorrow is the last date, that is 28th of March. Okay, you can do the registration process here. So you can see, just fill in all these details and then click on the register, or you can directly click on apply now and go for. Now this college is very special. You can see the NRF ranking is 4 here. So very good placement, very good faculties, very good infrastructure facilities will be there. So definitely you can attempt this exam. Okay, now if you are preparing for this exam, our Abhyas test series will definitely help you because the course is quite aligned. So you can see our Abhyas test series is still available at a discounted price of rupees 1498. So here you will be getting 35 mock tests, which includes part tests and full length tests for all the subjects physics, chemistry, maths and bio. Apart from that, you will be getting detailed video solutions, one-shot revision videos, live doubt clarification classes, and last 5 years of insights of KCET questions. So that will also be there. So if you want to join this test series, please click on the link given below and join it right now. Okay, so that's all students. It was an important update. So are you writing this exam or not? Please put down in the comment section. Let me see how many of you are interested in this exam. Thank you for watching.